SimplicIT is a customer-focused IT consultancy offering the greatest levels of expertise backed up by many years' experience across multiple industries and regions. We're envisaging the art of the possible and working together, beyond boundaries. Here's the problem. More often than not, organisations are structured around the functions they must perform in order to provide their products and services. If these functions are not well aligned in their processes, capabilities and use of systems, it can have a detrimental impact to the overall customer experience. How often have you seen a system selected for its requirement to fit a particular function within the business, say a new sales management system, with little thought to the downstream impact on the customer experience when they actually become a customer? This is usually as a result of a business function owner in a particular silo of the business being the sponsor of that project. As budget constraints and prioritisation inevitably creep into the process, the core business function's needs are what's usually delivered with a phase 2 to come later and perhaps requiring another business case. Thinking about the impact this may have on your customer experience and acknowledging that it costs more to obtain a new customer than it does to keep an existing one, you'd want to keep them satisfied throughout all of their interactions with you. The customer doesn't expect to be passed around from function to function, being asked the same authentication questions over and over. This issue goes right to the very heart of productivity and efficiency. The complexity behind the scenes requires a multitude of resources, skill sets, and processes in your business and in your IT function, and the ability to be cost-effective and adaptable to change can quickly become prohibitive and a very real issue. But it goes even further than that. Customers now expect that you know all of their interactions with you and wish to interact with you via many different channels and have a complete view of all your service and product offerings through all of these channels when they want them and via any device. And if they can't get that, they'll go somewhere else. It's that simple. The change in the way the customer expects to do business is having a profound effect on organisational design and the systems supporting it, including how they are procured, created and managed. The latest results from IBM's survey of over 4,000 C-suite execs reveal that the CEO's top priority is technology, more important than the market forces, people, environmental factors, etc. So it's a recognised issue, but how does one address it, as technology alone will not solve the problem? So, what's the solution? With a strategic review in collaboration with all key stakeholders, coupled with the use of enterprise architecture techniques, SimplicIT can help you understand your current state and shape a holistic view of all your systems and solutions, defined within the context of your business organisational structure and, importantly, with the customer perspective and focus on all value chain business functions. Our comprehensive 4-stage service model provides services throughout all phases of the transformation journey, or can provide independent services within each stage. Using the recognised AQPC Standard Process Classification Framework, we can define your current and future business model and align all systems, technologies, processes and data models to it. The APQC standard allows for a holistic representation of your organisation as opposed to a siloed view, and importantly allows you to benchmark your organisation to others around the world. Couple this with enterprise architecture techniques, defining your current and future state applications, technologies and data architecture, and you'll be able to create a roadmap of initiatives required to get you where your customers expect you to be and where your competitors are already heading. From there, we can help you as little or as much as you want in making the roadmap a reality. SimplicIT, working together beyond boundaries.